Hello guys, this is the 36th episode of Python tutorial series Python date time. Python dates. A date in Python is not a data type of its own, but we can import a module named datetime to work with dates as date objects. Okay, so import the datetime module and display the current date. Import datetime x equals to datetime.datetime.now parenthesis print of x. So first of all the year, then the month, then the date, the day, space, which time it is, like 01 colon 13 colon 50 second 50.15877 seconds. Okay, so import datetime x equals to datetime.datetime.now method. That's it. Now date output, when we execute the code from the example above, the result will be, yes, we already have seen that the date contains year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and microsecond. The datetime module has many methods to return information about the date object. Here are a few examples. You will learn more about them later in this chapter. Return the year and name of weekday. Import datetime x equals to datetime.datetime.now function print of x dot year and print then x dot strf time strf time. In parentheses we have double quotation, then we have percentage sign and also a. So let's see what this is about. Return the year and name of the weekday. So once again, import datetime x equals to datetime.datetime.now method print of x dot year, which will be 2022. Then the weekday, print of x dot strf time. In parentheses we have in double quotation percentage sign and then capital A. So this is how you creating date objects. To create a date, we can use the datetime parenthesis class constructor of the datetime module. So datetime module, and from it we can use the datetime class constructor. The datetime class requires 3 parameters to create a date: year, month, and day. Create a date object. Import datetime x equals to datetime.datetime datetime.datetime of 2020, 5, 17. Print of x. Import datetime x equals to datetime.datetime of 2020, 5, 17. Print x. That's it. The printout it's gonna be, once again, import datetime x equals to datetime.datetime of 3 arguments: the year, the month, and also the day. Month is 5 and suppose the day is 17 of the month. Since we have not specified time, so it's only the year, month, and day. The datetime class also takes parameters for time and time zone, like hour, minute, second, microsecond, t zone or time zone, but they are optional and has a default value of 0, none for time zone. Okay, so 0 default value for hour, minute, second, microsecond, and none default value none for t zone or time zone. the strf time method. Okay, the datetime object has a method for formatting date objects into readable strings. The method is called strf time method and takes one parameter, format, to specify the format of the returned string. Okay, so display the name of the month. How do you do that? Import datetime x equals to datetime dot datetime of 2018 comma 6 comma 1, print x dot strf time in parentheses we have double quotation and then also percentage sign b. So let's see what happens when we use p. When we used a, it was the weekday. When we use p, it is the month 6. Okay, a reference to of all the legal format codes. Directive, description, example, and try it. So percentage small a, that's weekday, short version like wait. I do not want to try it, if I try it, it's gonna be too lengthy. Import datetime x equals to datetime dot datetime dot now method, print of x dot strf time, in parentheses we have double quotation, then percentage a, and it's gonna be sun sun, short version. Percentage capital A, weekday, full version like Wednesday. Percentage W, weekday as a number 0 to 6, 0 for Sunday, so 3 for Wednesday, because if you consider Sunday as the starting day of the week, then Wednesday is the 4th day, that's why index number 3. Now percentage D, day of month, like 0 from 01 to 31, so it could be 31 for months like January, March, May, July, August, October, and also December. Percentage B, month name, short version, D is C. Percentage capital B, month name, full version like December. Percentage M, month as a number 0, 1 to 12. 12 stands for December. Percentage Y, year, short version without century like 18. So, and percentage capital Y, year, full version, which is the 2018. Percentage H, hour, 00 to 23, like 17 hour means afternoon 5. Percentage capital I, hour, in 0 to 12 format, like 05, I don't know, maybe it will take something AM or PM. Percentage P, AM or PM, that was a small p. Percentage capital M, minutes 00 to 59, 41, example. Percentage capital S, second, 00 to 59. Percentage F, microsecond, hexa 0 hyphen to hexa 9. Okay, percentage small z, UTC offset like plus 0, 1, 00, which is gonna be countries like most possibly North Africa, like Algeria, or something like that. Percentage capital Z, it's time zone, CST, Central Standard Time. States like Illinois, Texas, there. Percentage J, day, number of year 001 to 366, could be 366 for a leap year, that's why. Percentage U, Oh my gosh, it's gonna be okay. Let's see how much time. Not much left. Okay. Percentage U is week number of year. Sunday as the first day of week. So it could be 00 to 54, and there could be at most 54 weeks, so 52, the 52nd week of the year, something like that. Percentage W week number of year, Monday as the first day of week. So previously it was the Sunday, now it's Monday as the first day of the week. So it's also example 52, and it could be 0 from 00 to 53. Percentage small c local version of date and time, Monday, month December 31, 17 colon 41. Okay. Percentage capital C century 2020. Percentage X local version of date 12 31 18. Percentage capital X local version of time 1741, something like that. Percentage A, percentage character. Percentage G ISO 8601 year 2018. Percentage U ISO 8601 weekday 127. Percentage capital B ISO 8601 week number. I think they won't be necessary that much. Okay guys, so this was the 36th episode of Python tutorial series. See you again in the 37th. Have a great day until